SDI provided a turnkey solution to Cal Cartage. The system handles cross-dock and unit picking facilities for the retailer Toys R Us. Product is received through the 3 receiving doors. Capacity is 30,000 cartons per 7 half-hour shift. Containers arrive directly from the port. Each container may contain thousands of cartons. A carton may have one or many item numbers. As well as all hardware and machine controls, SDI also provided and installed a middleware software package called Warehouse Control Systems, or WCS. The WCS communicates with all machinery in the building, which includes 2 carton sorters, 3 print and apply lines, and a tilt tray sorter. The WCS provides a seamless integration to host system Red Prairie. In basic terms, downloads from the host to the WCS contain all carton data and associated trailer data required for receiving, replenishment, and shipping. The uploads from the WCS to the host contain carton status, real-time location updates, and trailer contents to allow a manifest to be built. Each receiving door feeds an automatic print and apply line. Each print and apply line is capable of doing 25 to 30 cases per minute. The lines operate using 24-volt DC conveyor, which is quiet and energy efficient. At the start of the print and apply line, the first carton is stopped for a 6-point QC inspection. The operator uses a workstation to scan the carton LPN. The WCS system displays QC information to help the operator perform the QC operation. The operator either accepts or rejects the carton. If the operator rejects the carton, all cartons on the receipt will be sent to the VAS area for further inspection. If the operator accepts the first carton, it is sent to the QC area for further detailed inspection. All other carton of the receipt are routed to their original destinations. Each inbound case receives a new unique identification label. There are basically 2 types of labels printed during print and apply. This is a WCS function. Each carton either receives a shipping label for cartons ready to ship or a unique label for cartons handled internally within the DC. For QC, the first carton of each item is automatically recognized by the system through interface with the SDI WCS. An item number is a group of SKUs. All SKUs of the same item number are like a family of SKUs. The first carton of each item number is diverted to an audit area for a detailed check. This internal label is for cartons that go to the tilt tray or go to the reserve stock locations. These internal labels are used to route the carton throughout its life in the distribution center. Each carton is merged into a single line that feeds a high-speed slat or shoe sorter. This carton sorter operates at 75 cartons per minute and reads the barcode label applied earlier. At induction to the carton scanner, the cube dimensions of the carton are captured when the carton barcode is scanned. This cube data will later be transmitted to the host system. The carton is then diverted to one of 3 places: the value-added services area, shipping doors 1 through 12, or the routing sorter. The cartons are routed back to the shipping sorter so they can be scanned and diverted to their allocated destinations. Routing sorter. If the carton requires further handling, it's sent from the shipping sorter to the routing sorter. The routing sorter controls were taken over by SDI to offer the client a total solution and provide greater flexibility. When ready, cartons are fed to the tilt tray sorter. At the tilt tray, a fine sort is completed. Basically, a mixed SKU carton specific for a store is created. From the tilt tray, cartons are placed on a conveyor and sent over to SDI print and apply line. A shipping label is printed for the carton, and the carton is sent on to the shipping sorter. There, they are diverted to the assigned shipping door for their DC and loaded alongside the cross-dock cartons for the DC. Shipping. If the carton is ready to leave the DC, then it's routed directly over to doors 1 through 12, depending on which DC it's headed for. Extendable conveyor lines feed directly into a trailer so that cartons can be easily stacked from floor to ceiling within the trailer. When the operator is ready to close the trailer door, they use an RF unit to scan the first carton at the end of the conveyor that could not fit on the trailer. The WCS system then knows that all cartons that were diverted to the trailer prior to this carton are on the trailer. A carton manifest is generated for that particular trailer.